as scholars, it's our job to make sure that we protect free and open inquiry. I don't think we really have a choice. I'm Martha McCaughey, and I am Special Assistant to the President leading the Free Expression, Intellectual Freedom, and Constructive Dialogue Initiative at the University of Wyoming. Well, something I'm doing right now at the University of Wyoming is really working to earn the public trust in the institution, in the knowledge that we generate as credible and as serving the public good and not serving special interests. It's really about making sure that we're all understanding what the principles and purpose of the university really are and what our role is in helping fulfill the promise of the institution. One of the things we're doing is to bring in experts to talk about free expression and academic freedom. I think there are so many faculty members I've met who are really eager to be good stewards of their discipline and of their institution, but they don't always know the rules. They don't teach us in graduate school what is the difference between free expression and academic freedom, or what rights do students have in class and outside of class, and what rights do faculty have, what responsibilities do faculty have. So scholars shouldn't engage in ideological litmus tests, but we do engage in scholarly tests. We test and vet ideas, and that's what we do in academia to protect the knowledge generation that we are supposed to be engaging in as scholars. And that's the way universities benefit the public and not private interests. I joined HXA. I wanted to support the mission. For me, Heterodox Academy reminds us that as scholars, we are the guardians of it. I think that really is part of our job, and we're not doing our job if we don't stand up for free and open inquiry and those core principles that help knowledge advance.